And I know that, for my readers, what their main concern is, okay, but once I move, what is available to me? Okay.
Gonzalo can help you with that. Yeah. Bupa policy is really what most expats are looking for. It's the biggest international health insurance company in the world. They are here, and it's fabulous coverage.
And these policies tend to cover you no matter which country you travel to?
Yeah, correct.
So it's not specific to being in Panama?
It covers you in Panama, Latin America. It covers you in the U.S.
When you go home for a trip, for
and if you
example.
travel in Europe, for example, it will cover you for emergencies at any hospital in Europe. So China, Asia, whatever. So it's very comprehensive coverage.
And this is better for somebody who's going to be living in Panama as an expat. Talk to me about how this is better in terms of age and in terms of pre-existing conditions. Bupa is more willing to insure people.
Yeah, Bupa is more willing to insure people. Regardless, they will look at the existing conditions.
Sure, any insurance company will.
And they might exclude certain conditions.
Right.
But the difference is that will offer insurance. They will say, okay, we exclude 5%, but 90% you still have it. Local companies on the other side try to exclude you 100% and say, oh, sorry, we cannot take you. So Bupa is becoming the alternative for people from 55 to 74.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a mutual company. They reinvest all the money back in the company, so it keeps growing, and fabulous service.
Now, I just want to clarify, you do have products that, for the young expat, because I do have some readers that are 30 to 50. For them, the local policies are cheaper and viable.
Yeah, for younger people, the world is easier.
Yeah.
But it's just a matter of value for money, because Bupa's policies for younger people are cheap. The problem is age. Age
so
is
what kind of monthly premiums are we talking about?
It can be from $100 for young people to $300 for 64, 65.
Okay, a month. Okay.
A month, yeah.
And what kind of deductibles are we looking
You
at?
can choose from zero deductible to 5,000. I usually recommend to 20,000. I usually recommend 5,000 because this is really catastrophic coverage. That's what most people should buy, and to keep premiums down.
Yeah.
But it's here, and in the majority of cases I've seen, for Americans, when you tell them, a couple 65, you tell them, oh, the premium is 4,000 something. Say, how cheap, huh? Give it to because in the U.S. it's very expensive. That kind of health insurance is very expensive.
Oh yeah, I have readers who are paying $700, $900 a month.
Cobra.
Yeah.
You go to Cobra.
Yeah, I insure Europeans that are paying 24,000 a year. Germans, especially Germans, it's humongous premiums.
Wow.
And then you insure them they get the best coverage of Bupa for 12,000, and they're delighted. Send me more of those.
12,000 is with
Yeah.
a low deductible.
Yeah.
12,000 is with a low deductible. Yeah. And not only do I sell Bupa, but I have it. It's my personal health insurance, and I've had 2 operations with Bupa. And both of them, Bupa came through for me.
Do you mind my asking what operations?
Okay, I had a ruptured appendix. I tried to cure appendicitis with Alka-Seltzer and Pepto-Bismol, and it didn't work. And it almost killed me. Yeah, no. And I got the last minute I got there, and the doctor said, "Hey, Bradley, what's the matter with you? I got to go in there and clean you out." And that was close. That took me 6 months to recover.
Wow.
The second, I was golfing outside of Panama, and I didn't want to stop. For 10 days I had gangrene. My gallbladder had died, and I had gangrene, and it fused to my liver. Oh, it was horrible. Both times. I was operated in Hospital Nacional, and I also had another operation in Paitilla, which was prostate. I don't want to go into that one. But and then the last one, the gangrene, was at Punta Pacifica. All the time, I showed my card, a credit card to guarantee my deductible. Get Mr. Bradley a suite. Get up the best doctors.
Wow.
Come on, right in, and we'll take care of you, Mr. Bradley.
And so above your deductible, surgery,
100%
professional
they pay it.
fees? Wow.
Phone calls, maybe not. Maybe an extra TV. I don't know.
Sure,
But they cover most
sure.
everything. And Bupa is a great company. They're wonderful. They're more than a health insurance company. Again, they're a mutual company. You become a member, and they find a way to protect you and take care of you. And they monitor people that are hospitalized. It's wonderful. again,
They treat you like an owner.
yeah, you're owner
treat
of the
you like an
company. You're
owner.
one of the owners of the company.
Wow.
Yeah, but the old farts like me who come here over 50, they don't have a health history here. They don't have a doctor here. They have to prove their insurability.
Yeah.
They have to prove it. So they want blood work, urine, chest exam, and now for men, PSA and a digital rectal anal exam.
Wow.
Give me a break. I tell my clients, yeah, you got to go see the doc and be prepared to pull your pants down. They don't like that.
No.
Again, that's the locals. They don't want to take any risks. Bupa, their doctors will call you, talk to you about the medication you're taking, how many milligrams you're taking, and then they base their decision on that. If they have to, they'll talk to your doctor in the U.S.
Right.
Bupa's the way to go. It's the way I go. It's the way I recommend most of my customers go, and it's not that expensive.
Right. And if it's something that you trust for yourself, then obviously that's the highest recommendation.
They've saved the lives of several of my clients. They've gone in and had people taken out of hospitals when they didn't think they were being treated properly. Okay, rats.
We're just
What did I say? Sopa de qué?
Cebolla.
I said cebolla? Okay.